All right, are you ready for this? Are you ready? All right, I'm super ready. We're gonna start in 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take a nice big side lunge to a twist. Good, side lunge to twist. Beautiful. So I'm on my right leg, so I recommend staying on the right leg the whole time, and then on the next round, we will switch, okay? So you're gonna notice that you are probably already starting to get that heart rate up, and you wanna make sure that you're landing softly, not only to be nice and quiet, but to also roll through the foot, and this will help strengthen your feet and ankles, stretch out your ankles. And when you have strong feet, everything else in your body feels better. All right, here we go. 8 more seconds. You've got this. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Take a little break. All right, our next move is going to be push up to Superman. So we're gonna come onto our stomachs here, lower down, reach, little lift, come back up to high plank. Ready? And let's begin. 45 seconds now. Lower and up, here, and lift. I love how easy it is to get such an amazing killer workout in such a short amount of time, and with no equipment, just your body weight. This is really how you create full total body strength. All right, I'm already starting to sweat, and we're only on exercise number 2. Okay, keep it up. Let's go. We've got 12 seconds left. Make it strong. Remember, we're only doing this 2 times through, so give it all you got. All right, 15-second break right here, and we've got lunge to squat. So we're gonna go jump lunge here, center, and side lunge. Sorry, no jumping, just a nice lunge. If you want, you could add a jump, but for this one, since we're doing a quiet, apartment-friendly workout, you can take out the jump. But that jump is there for you if you want to make it more challenging. Good. So you want to make it nice and quick. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Good job. This intensity, the speed, is going to help make it more challenging. Get your breath up. As you notice, I'm already starting to get breathless. 12 more seconds. Keep it up. You're doing so good. Whew. 5 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Wow. Okay. I'm burning. All right. We're going to do a little kick twist here. So you're going to twist, kick, twist, kick. All right. So you're starting here kind of like you're in all fours. Then you just lift the knees up from there and kick. Here we go. 45 seconds now. Reach, reach, reach. Good work. You're feeling your core work here. Arms, shoulders, lats, serratus, biceps, triceps. So many things. Even the inner thighs, you know, to kick out like that. The obliques. Whew. This is a full body workout. And this is another one of those moves where the faster you go, the more intense it will be. If you want to add a jump, you could. You could just kick, add a little hop in between to make it more challenging. Okay. Whew, wow. It's already pretty challenging enough. Okay, we're going to go curtsy to side kick. So curtsy lunge here. 2 nice big kick like that. Okay, and let's go. Kick. Make it a really powerful, strong kick. Woo. Feel those legs working. Feel the heart rate going up. You're doing so good. Keep it up. Nice. 20 seconds right here. Reach. Now we're only doing 2 rounds, so we'll switch legs on the next round. Good. 5 seconds. Get one more in right here. Big kick. All right. Okay, next one we're gonna do plank, little hops. Okay, so tiny little hops, so no one hears you. You're gonna go up and back, up and back, up and back. Okay, so really light on those toes, which actually makes it way more challenging. Try to keep those legs nice and straight. Arms are super duper straight. Be as quiet as you can. Good, 25 seconds. Whew, these are hard. Take a break if you need to. 14, 13, 12. Keep it up. Do a few more. Oh my goodness. Okay, keep it up. 4, 3, 2, and 1. Whew. Okay, we're going right into the next round. So we're going side lunge to twist. So we're doing left leg this time. Take a deep breath, 5 seconds, left side. Here we go. Big side lunge to twist. So hinge at the hips. Make sure that the toes are both facing forward. Knee is tracking over your heel. Feel those obliques working as you twist. Our hand behind the head is going to be challenging, so you could modify by taking the legs or the hands down. And you can also modify by taking the legs a little bit more narrow. The wider it is, the more challenging it's gonna be. Good. All right, break time. Not for long though. Okay, we're gonna go push up to Superman. Remember, this is our second and final round. Okay, ready? And let's go. Push up to Superman. Nice. So I'm squeezing my elbows in on the way up. Nice and slow down. I'm bringing my hands and feet together on the Superman lift. So we're working those back muscles. Working the shoulders, the chest, the arms. It's a great move for improving your posture, feeling strong in the upper body. Nice, keep that core tight and engaged. 5 more seconds. 3, 2, 1. Oh, don't ever have to do those again. Great. Okay, lunge to squat. Here we go, we're flying by on our second round. Okay, here we go. And good. I feel like since it's like a quiet, apartment-friendly workout, I feel like I'm like slightly whispering, even though I don't really need to be quiet, but it's just the tone of the video, right? See how intense we can be while also being super quiet. Okay, all right. Whew. Remember, make it nice and quick. Get that burn going. Welcome the burn. Enjoy the heavy breathing. Right, you gotta find joy in the discomfort. This is where you know that you're getting stronger. Whew. You are getting more powerful. Those muscles are toning, getting so strong. All right, moving right along. We've got 3 moves left. That's it, just 3 moves. You were doing so awesome. Okay, we're going in 3. We're doing the animal flow kick-throughs. Here we go. And reach, reach. Remember, the quicker this is, the harder it'll be. So it's up to you of how intense you want to make it. Kick, kick. Keep those arms really straight. Whew. This is a perfect workout to do when you're short on time. You still want to get a good sweat on. This is that workout for you, for sure. Good. 10 more seconds. See if you can take the intensity up. Whew. 4, 3, keep it going. 2, all the way to the end. and 1, good. Okay, curtsy side lunge to a side kick. 2 moves left. That's it. Take a deep breath, get ready to go. 3, 2, 1, and good. Nice big kick. Whew. Strong, powerful kick. You've got this. Good. So I kind of lean my chest slightly over and I give a nice strong kick. Kicking all of that stress out of your life, all the negativity, kick that right out the door. It's all up to you. What you allow into your mind, into your space. If you don't want it, you get to just kick it right out. Whew. I always say, don't spend time thinking about something that doesn't serve you, right? That doesn't lift your energy up. If it doesn't lift your energy up, kick it right out. Okay, last move. Let's make it our best, okay? Here we go. Up, up. I know this is a tough one. It's a good one to finish because this is it. Give it all you got. Empty out the tank. Leave it all on the dance floor. Let's see what other metaphors I can come up with. Good. Up, up. Oh my gosh. Okay, 18 seconds. Let's finish it strong. Let's not stop. Woo. Good. All right, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Oh my goodness. Virtual high five. You did it. So proud of you. Whew, that was tough. Such a short amount of time. All right, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hit the like button if you liked it. Comment below. Let me know what else you want to see. And I will see you in the next video. Love you so much. Bye.